Whew, it is so nice today. I think it was high of 55, but because of the sunlight, just checking, this is the 25, but because of the sunlight, it feels fantastic. I'm wearing shorts, as you can see. Sun's out, thighs out, indeed. Love my sunlight, love to get as much sunlight as I can. Sunlight does not cause skin cancer, that's a psyop. Most people don't realize that the skin cancer rates have like 100x in the last 100 years. They didn't have sunscreen 100 years ago, but no one got skin cancer. So riddle me that if sunlight causes skin cancer. And another thing people don't realize is that 75% of skin cancers are on parts of the skin that never see sunlight. So how is sunlight causing skin cancer? No, it's seed oils that cause skin cancer. It is highly carcinogenic, very volatile oils that enter your dermis and your epidermis, and then maybe through sun exposure, but also through other processes, will break down and turn carcinogenic. 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, 13. Okay, I'm feeling alright. Feeling maybe a little tender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One thing about this 25-pound mix is that the knurling is lower than my 20. So, 9, to make sure I don't grip it too low and be inconsistent. 10 with home gripping. 11, 12, 13. Okay, feeling good. Like I said, just a little tender. I do think that just like I was breezing through the weights on these maces and kettlebells pretty quickly, right? I'm almost double on the mace weight that I used to use even 3 weeks ago. I used to use a 15, that's a 25. I probably could handle 30. But I think just like I was going up pretty quickly in the weights I was using, I'm gonna be blazing through the various training stages as well. So I was at stage 1, which is the same training session every day, right? So Monday, Wednesday, Friday is sort of your template. And I train 6 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But Monday, Tuesday is essentially one workout, right? You can think of it that way for programming purposes. So obviously the last 2 days I've been doing lighter weight. Okay. 2, you still aren't easy. 3, 4, let me try to do 5 or 6, I think. 5, 6, okay, it's not bad. So now Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, Saturday, today's Friday obviously, are my heavy days. And then Wednesday, Thursday is my light day, so that's stage 2. I don't think I'll be here very long. I'll probably be moving on to stage 3 pretty quickly, which I'm pretty sure is just different training sessions 3 days a week, or it could also be, I think that's what it is. Don't remember exactly, but it's funny because I wrote the book. I should remember this, which of course, if you are curious in reading the PDF that I wrote on programming, it's completely free. It's based on 13 years of training experience. So you can absolutely do that. Just go to my website, marcian.cx, and you'll be able to find it there, completely free, it's no catch. There's no upsell for, so you can do that. 5. That's what I get the 6. 6, okay. Those left ones are feeling much better. It's good. I am doing an absolute number on this floor. If I showed you just all the dents, blow your mind. I mean, maybe not. Who would have thought that a 25-pound mace leaves dents in the ground, right? Okay, so now, 360s. All right, let's make these smooth. Going for 13s, probably. Sets of 13. 3, 4. Yeah, so these feel good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can keep going, honestly. 13, 14, 15. Is it time for 16? A 30-pound mace. 17, maybe. 18, 19, 20. It might be. I mean, look at me, I'm talking through it. So yeah, we are going up in weight pretty fast, which is great. Could also be just, the energy from the sun absorbing the sunlight here. You can see over there in the distance, still just a patch of snow. Whew, okay. It was so much harder to train out here when it was cold, I will tell you. The air burns in your lungs, hands cold, it's gloomy. The sunlight, it's just amazing. Probably start training barefoot pretty soon too. I just want to make sure I don't break a foot, drop this mace on my foot. So I'm going to be careful with that. Okay, 20 on the other side. Okay. 2, 3, 4. I gotta tip this back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, just a little harder on that side. It's my weaker side. 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. Okay, we'll call it 18. That's fine. Okay, so 20 and 18. Not bad. Not bad.